Gang, 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 gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. You don't know, your boy go crazy already. Yeah, man, we're there with none of Dan, Mr. Bobby, myself, Hellboy, myself. You don't know what's coming over music. What our favorite artists reacted on the channel, bro? I'm telling you, man, you don't know what I do with it. There with none of Dan, Skippa, the one that name Go. We'll check it out and see what dog I do. It's been a minute, man. It's been a little minute. But we back to take over these YouTube streets, man. You see me, the best YouTube channel on YouTube, the best latest react. Hey, gang, yo, make sure to join the Discord. Make sure say y'all active. I go live at 6 p.m. every day, man. We are streaming. You see me, we're streaming games and we're vibing. You don't know, I'm in full streamer mode. Other things coming to the streams, but right now we talking off with gaming. You see me, I say, and the games will be lit, will be fun, we'll be having vibes. So make sure you come through. You see me, I say, but yeah, we're there at Skippa. They want him go, man. We gotta see where Hellboy did. Yeah, we gotta see where Skip them at the way, man. Let's get it, gang. Yeah. Sky Juice. Boom, boy. Go. Go get the money. Go. Go get the money. Go up, Lord. Yeah, man. Sky Juice. Wait. Big up Skippa. Dog, I show love to one hour, but Sky Juice is one of them legendary DJs there, you know, bro. Nobody with it, you know. You see me, like this way man I pay homage and respect to these type of icons. You see me I say? Yeah man, this one's a big DJ, you know, the man and dog I bring back the dog and show the dog. Love I hope the dog give dog a look of change. What I think the dog give dog a look of change. Big up Skipper dog, big up Sky Juice.
Dollars by my mind and the gym better wake up. Life just nice, get the beast and I be a dog. Get ice in the sea.
Dollars by my mind and I dream me better wake up. Come true, come true, come true. Yes, charge you.
Got dollars by my mind and the gym better wake up. Life just nice, get the beast and I be a dog. Get ice in the sea and bake up. Get a one wide and the brother stand up. Get the youth, get the go, get the money, go, get the money, go. Go get the money, go, get the money, go. Go get the money, go, make your mommy proud. Go get the money, go,
make your money proud. Easy.
At home full of Franklin, Kingpin, phone candid. Banking system, boss call head.
Wait. I've been missing out. I've been missing out, boy. I've been missing out. I forgot how much I love music, bro. I forgot how much I love music. I swear to God, I love dancehall music. Jeez, I'm pissed. Me forget. Me take a little break and me forget. But me there now, man. Come true, man. What you say?
Road, go get the money,
go get the money, go.
Full of Franklin, Kingpin, phone
dead.
Banking system, boss cry head. Book a new victim, a check so send you.
No. Skipper, why you do it, Jankro? Skipper, why you do it, Jankro? Why you do it, bro? Bro, you snapped on this shit, bro. Why you do it, bro? Nah, man, I call police by you, man. Cause this is criminal what you doing on the beat, my bro. Keep it up, come true.
Money go get the bag, home full of Franklin, Kingpin, phone can't
head. Banking system, boss call head.
Book a new victim, a check so send euros. There for them just a job to bed. Full of gas 15 to some bread. Hey. Brand new 5th gen imported.
You're gonna make me lose my mind, you. This bad. You're gonna make me lose my mind. You know, big when too bad in that, me not no sense. Me no business. When tune bad, me nah no sense, you. Now tell you, big man thing, you. Yo, Skipper, where you doing? Come true.
Get the bag, home full of Franklin, Kingpin, phone
can't head.
Banking system, boss call head. Book a new victim, a check so send euros. There for them just a job to bed. Full of gas 15 to some bread. Brand new 5th gen imported. Don't it buy a windscreen, fully top of the charge.
Don't it buy a windscreen, fully top up. Boy! Skipper, calm down, you. You know if you had Keely beats, so you.
Brand new 5th gen imported. Don't it buy a windscreen, fully top of the charge. Make it cheap breeze, buy a nigga. Dollars by my mind and the gym better wake up. Life just nice, get the beast and I be a dog. Single get ice in the sea and bake up. Get a one fight and the brother steal up. Get the you, get the go, get the money, go, get the money, go. Go get the money, go, get the money, go. Go get the money,
go, make your mommy proud.
Go get the money,
go get the money, go.
La pussy test all me job, me must rise. Rub up my chest with little African knife. up, me sell her as a Pakistan file. Cause like them always sell it, come like a money can't stop me. My dog, I'm sure, my mother tell me fi take my time on the road. Because the Benz and the make for white boy alone. Driving like man on a sense, I can't fit my toll. That's on my mind and the dream, better wake up.
You take time on the road. But the Benz and I make for white boy alone. I'm gonna feel like, black man over here getting rich, getting into the bag too. What's wrong with y'all? Stop playing with it. You see me, we come from Jamaica, we're island, we're go-getters. You see me, I say, look at obstacle and look at me coming on the way, but we're gonna get over that shit. You feel me? I'm gonna get to it. Let's get it.
Because the Benz and the make for white boy alone. Driving like man on a sense, I can't fit my toll. Got dollars on my mind and the dream, better wake up. Life just nice, get the beast and not the head. Send no get high, send me see and wake up. Catch a one vibe and the brother
yes, man, you know, just last year, you know. You see, man, I go through big things, but we fight through it, see him. We still fight, see him, you know. But we don't give up. You see me, because we go get it. We get it eventually, you know, man. You see me, I say, yeah, man.
Yo, get the ball, get the money, go, get the money, go. Go, get the money, go, get the money, go. Go, get the money, go, make your mommy proud. Go, get the money,
go, get the money, go.
Like Franklin, Kingpin, phone can't dead. Banking system, boss call head. Book a new victim, it just so send euros there for them just a jump on bread. Full of K's and 15 toast and bread. Brand new 15
K's and 15 toast and bread. Easy now, man.
Brand new 5th gen imported. Don't you buy a windscreen, full it up a lead. Charge and make it cheap race by your nigga. Go get the money,
go get the money, go.
Woo! Go get the money,
go get the money, go.
Go get the money, go get the money.
Woo!
Go get the money, go get the money.
This is fire.
Go get the money,
go get the money, go. Easy now, man.
What? 2 more 5,000. I give me 120,000 now. Minute 4. How much is that? Let's scam. We are play with. Let's scam for that.
Easy
With
now.
hotels and vacation rentals.
Bumbo clean. Easy now, man. Skippa. Yeah, man. Shout skip that. Dropping them bangers, man. Dropping them. Hey. Shout out to Skippa, man. Dropping them bangers, man. Real vibes. Loving that track. I'm loving that track. Go get the money. Go get the money. Go get the money. Go make your mommy proud. I'm telling you, you gotta make your mother proud, you. You see me, I say, your father proud, you. Go get to the dreams. You see me, I say? Yes, man. Go chase your dreams. Go chase that bag. Go do what you gotta do, gang. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say everybody journey might not be the same. Might not be easy. Some gonna get to it sooner than some. But just be grateful, keep focused. You see me, keep God in your heart. You see me, I say, and you will get yours eventually. Don't watch a next man race. You see me, I say, because you don't know what the next man do for film things, you know. You see me, just keep your eye upon your goal and keep going. It might take you, some people get in at them teens, some getting at them 20s, some getting at them 30s, some getting at them 40, some getting at them 50. Your story is still being written. You see me, I say, don't watch other people. Some people might make you feel like, say, yo, you're not do. As long as you know, say, you're genuinely out here trying, you're genuinely out here trying to go and get it. Don't watch people make people chat, because people going to chat. More cut not too for your easy, you know. Yeah, man. More make you talk, man. So don't watch them. Keep focused. Keep on your grind. Because I see when you make it and your thing work, they must say, oh, we believe in y'all the whole time, you know. We believe in y'all and we know you can do it. So that's stay focused. You see me? Your plan is only what they say, your plan is only bad until it works. Yeah, and you only need to work one time. Remember that. Yeah, good. Yeah, man, guys. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.